Akos Creative. I am the designer who handcrafts all this handmade jewelry. These are fabric earrings, really lightweight. I use cardstock and off-cut of fabrics to make my earrings, and I also have recycled glass beads similar to what I'm wearing. Now these are handmade in Ghana using rescued glass, crushed, poured into hand molded clay and fired at very high heat. The colors you see here are all hand painted. So I buy my Krobo beads or recycled glass beads directly from Ghana. I am from Ghana, by the way, and my name is Akos. Akos is my African name. And as you can see here, I also have my new line of colorful African jackets. These are very beautiful bomber jackets for kids, and I have this new collection that also have the skirts, so it comes as a skirt. This is very pretty, and the idea of sustainability is to use fabric offcuts to create earrings and other jewelry. So come with me, I will show you some of my other colorful bomber jackets. And in case you're wondering, you could see that we have other sisters products, and I will quickly show you in a second. But I want to highlight this blazer jacket as well for women. And we do have a kids bomber jacket here as well. And we also have a unisex bomber jackets which are also colorful. So these are perfect for this season. We are in winter here in Melbourne right now. So, and they have inside pockets, we have side pockets, and then we've got the inside pockets as well. So these are all handmade in Melbourne, very quality items. Now I make only limited edition fashion, so I do not make a lot at a time. If you are interested in wholesale, feel free to contact me and we can work out something. Like I was saying, we are in Crafted Culture 102 Bridge Road in Richmond, and you can see that we've got wonderful handmade dolls. These are very pretty dolls that you can buy for a girl or a boy. They are all very beautiful. Now all these things are handmade here in Melbourne by our sisters. So in case some of you are wondering, Sister Works is a social enterprise that supports newly arrived migrants and refugee women to start their own business. So Sister Works works with volunteers and also have funding from other stakeholders to help sisters start their own small business. So we've got a range of winter beanies. They are all very pretty, all handmade. So if you're looking for something special for yourself or your family, feel free to check out this Peruvian woven earrings as well. It's lightweight, very beautiful, made by Pam. And look, we've got cardigans here. Taking you back to my table, these are the Ghana Kente fabric. Just like I'm wearing, we have hand woven and printed. These are the printed version of the Kente fabric. How to get here? Tram 75 from Spring Street, the corner of Spring Street and Flinders Street in the city. That tram will bring you right in front of Crafted Culture. If you want to have a drink, next door to the Sister Workshop, we also have a cafe here. So it's a good community here, and we invite you to visit Sister Works. Visit my shop as well at akoscreative.com. Find me online, visit us in shop, and come and drop in and say hello to one of our sisters here. Thank you, and I hope to see some of you soon. Bye.